Welcome to DNA's Birding Adventures. We're at Watson Lake in Bellvue, Colorado. This time we brought the Annie van. We're starting to work her out so that we can start our big year. Our philosophy is it's not really about the destination, well that too, but it's more about the journey. This is the way to Watson Lake, and last year on today's date we actually bought Annie van and we want to do a big year, so we're starting to figure out the places that we want to go, and Colorado's a good start. Our yearly bird count is at 219, and we got 6 today, including 2 from our house, the Western Tanager and the Bullock's Oriole. Watson Lake is just north of Fort Collins in Bellvue, Colorado, and there's a fish hatchery as you come in, and we walked right along the trail to start, and it's below the cliff where we actually spotted the white-throated swifts and golden eagles. Cliff swallows are back along with the violet-green swallows. Here we go. Watson Lake and an empty parking lot. Whoop whoop. Can hear a lot of birds already. We just got here. It's early, looks like it might rain today, but did put in my rain jacket just in case. Here we go. We just saw a ruby-crowned kinglet, yellow rump warbler, and there's a house wren sitting right on that clump of branches. He's not moving. Hope he's not sick. I think he's just waiting for his mate. This is the Cache la Poudre River. It's pretty full, and there's a trail that goes all along the river, all along these beautiful banks. We're looking for the white-throated chimneys, or white-throated swift. Definitely an abundance of birds. I think we've already spotted like 20. It's beautiful. When the leaves start to bud out, you know it's springtime, and that's when the warblers and all the other birds start to migrate back. So it's for the birds and the bees. These yellow rump warblers were everywhere. It's so hard to get a video of them because they move so fast. This is actually in slow motion. There's birds nesting and flying in all of the little nooks and crannies. Just saw a pigeon nest up there too, and some sort of hawk flew by. River's flowing. There's a golden eagle nest and a golden eagle sitting on top of it right up in there. The water is really rushing. Dam, and lots of art on that fence up there, fishies. White-throated swifts up there, and is that a turkey vulture? Is that the golden eagle? Dock down there. The sun came out, and so have the birds. And so have the birds. look at all the cliff swallows. Made home on that rock cliff. Empty parking lot at the other side of the lake. Heading out, we saw this Say's phoebe and a couple blue jays. This is the 31st video that I have of Colorado birding areas. Here's a list. It's also in the description. Some are Rocky Mountain National Park and some are other areas in Colorado, in case you're interested. Our next stop may be Devil's Backbone. It's a county park. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, happy trails to you.